got something delicious for you. Alright kids, I'm going to make a video real quick today. We're going to get magical on your asses. And make our super fast video how to diagnose or get the error code for my Onan 4000 MicroQuiet machine. Basically, this knob right here, I'm going to hit this 3 times in succession. That's going to start blinking that light right there. So once we've hit that side 3 times, we're just going to hit it one more time like that. Now we're going to see the error code. And this time it's a 36. First 3 and then a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blinks. So that's an error code 36. That's all it is. That means something with the fuel, not getting fuel, or, and just like that, it's got to come to an end.